So I will go ahead and make my coordinate plane. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know. Hey guys, I am on page 176. I'm doing the on your own number 2. And right now we are just making our coordinate plane that we'll be graphing our vertices on. All right, so I'm going to label my x-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And my y-axis, I still have to label 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10. Okay. The first point that I am going to label is 4 and 4. So first thing you do is you go over and then you go up. Over 4, up 4. And you put your point. This is point W. Then you are working on point X. Over 7, up 4. Over 7, up 4. 2, 3, 4. That's point X. We're doing point Y. Over 7, up 1. Over 7, up 1. Point Y. And then point Z is over 4 and up 1. After this, you connect all of your vertices in order. So I go W to X, X to Y, Y to Z. W to X, X to Y, Y to Z, and then right back where I came from. That is how you graph polygons on a coordinate plane. Recording. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and graph the polygon, the number 4 that's on your own. One thing that I want to make sure that you know is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points on this one, and there are some fractions, so we are going to do some estimating on this. Because as you see, all of my labels here are whole numbers, but we have fractions in our coordinates, in our ordered pairs. So this set right here, this 1 and 4 and 3 and 5, that is an ordered pair. That's what they're called. And remember, it's always X a coordinate first and then Y, X and Y, X and Y, X and Y, X and Y, okay? All right, so point number P, point letter P is over 1 and up 4. Point Q is over 3 and up 5. Point R is over 7, up 3. Point S is over 6 and up a half. So it's not going to be on the line, but it'll be halfway between the 0 and the 1. And T is over 2. And again, up 1/2. The Y pair or the Y coordinate is 1/2. So it's not on the line, but just underneath. So then again, we connect our points to make our polygon. P, Q, R, S, T, and then back. Oops, that is not a good one. P, there we go. Your shape should look something like that. So here is 1, 2, 3, 5 different samples, 6 different samples of some sedimentary rock. I've got some chert over here where you can definitely see the layers of sedimentary rock. This would be one of those sedimentary rocks that's formed by depositing and cementing and compacting some sediments over time. And the different colors, the different layers are the types of minerals or the types of minerals that were in the sediment when they got compacted together. This piece right here, this pretty plain looking piece, this is a piece of slate. And slate, remember, is compacted together and created by pieces of clay. One thing about slate is that it's pretty soft. You can write with it. That's just pieces of the clay that is rubbing off onto my paper. That is what's making that color. And then I have some fossils over here. I have some agate from the state of Wyoming, which used to be a tropical ocean. That's why there's all these shells that are compacted and cemented together. And I have some fossils, which are only found in sedimentary rock. I have this echinoid, and that right there is just leftover deposits. I have a fish vertebrae, and I have a brachiopod, which was like a mollusk, so it would open and close. Now, why do you think sediments or fossils could only be formed in sedimentary rock? Why do you think that is?